Hi everyone, it's Miss Carolyn here, and we are in week 2 of our May units, and these are our spelling words for this week. So every day I want you to read these words with mom and dad. I want you to spell them, sound out those beginning sounds and ending sounds, and write them. Write them on paper, you can type them on the computer. You can use that fun draw thing we've been doing on Word. You can choose a different color and then write the words in Word. Just make it fun. Go outside, maybe write the words with chalk, or use some water and a paintbrush and write them on the cement with a paintbrush and some water. All right, so let's go. Let's get started, and we'll read them together first. Look. L-O-O-K. Look at that bird. We have a O in the beginning and K at the end. Said. He said he would come over. Said. What sound does said begin with? That's right. And it ends with D. Said. Color. C-O-L-O-R. Will you color the picture? What sound does color end with? Color. Just. J-U-S-T. Just do it. What sound does just begin with? J, j. Another. I have to do another math problem. Another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Body. My body has 2 legs and 2 arms. Body. What sound does body begin with? B, b, b. Good job. All right, guys, those are our spelling words this week. So have fun with them. Write them all over your house. I'll see you all soon. Bye.